Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Visual Studio Code and make sure it's updated. Once done, sign into your GitHub account and enable two-factor authentication if your organization requires it. Then install the GitHub Copilot extension from the marketplace and complete OAuth sign-in. Make sure the extension shows as enabled and linked to your account. This saves time later. Now open a project folder and confirm Git is initialized so Copilot can tailor suggestions to your repo context. Next, configure how Copilot interacts with your editor so suggestions feel natural. You'll open Settings and adjust Copilot options. Enable inline suggestions, choose whether Enter accepts a completion, and limit or expand language scopes. Also set per workspace enablement so you can turn Copilot off for sensitive repos. Find a keyboard shortcut for invoking Copilot or the chat pane to speed workflow. These tweaks reduce noise and make the assistant align with your coding style and team policies. Finally, use Copilot actively. Type a comment or function signature and accept suggestions with Tab or your shortcut, then review and modify the output. Once done, use Copilot Chat to explain code, generate tests, or perform refactors by giving concise prompts. Make sure to commit generated code responsibly and run linters. If things go wrong, reload the VS Code window, sign out and back into the extension, and check the extension log for errors. This single troubleshooting step quickly resolves most connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.